So real quick, this is going to be a short video. We're going to get straight to the point. This video is about the 25mm lashes. It's kind of a craze right now. It's very popular. A lot of beauty influencers are wearing them, and I'm going to be showing you guys the ones I have on now and how much they cost, the price. And I actually have two styles that I'm going to be sharing with you that you can purchase that are both under $5. So if you'd like to see more about these lashes, then stay tuned.
I'ma stay to it, yeah. Tell me, are you pushing? Do you love somebody?
These lashes are from a website called AliExpress. Most of you may know this website is very popular. It's basically a website from China that has different vendors on there that sell different products. I've bought from them a lot of times. I am going to give you this advice if you plan to purchase from them. Always pay attention to the reviews and always pay attention to the amount of orders. So say there's a sneaker you want or a shoe. I would look at the order. If they have about 5 orders or like 3 orders, only 3 people have ever ordered from them, I won't order. But if they have like maybe 50 or 100 orders or maybe 300 people ordered from them before, then I'm like, okay, that's a trustworthy number. So just be careful and be cautious and mindful when you're ordering, and you know, do your research on things first. But I did my research on these lashes and they checked out pretty good. I looked at the pictures people posted on there for their reviews, and I really love these lashes. I love me some dramatic lashes. Like, I want you to see them. Like, I want you to know I'm wearing lashes. But the thing is, when you put them on and you put them on right, they're gonna look good. Like, with that being said, I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up real quick. But honestly, I think I like this lash more. This is what I have on right now. Let me show you guys. How rude of me. Okay, so this is basically the packaging. This is what it came in, which is so cute. Like a little compact. So cute. And by the way, you can wear these lashes up to 20 times. I would probably stretch it even longer than that, because why not? And this is the other style. Super pretty. I didn't try these on yet, but I'm going to try them on for you guys so you guys can see this lash and compare it to these ones. And I kind of just wanted to compare them because I'm like, which one's better? So I'm gonna actually be doing that right now. So yeah. Also, both links to these lashes will be in the description box, but don't try to buy them all out because I have to buy like 30 pairs of these because these are my favorites. So don't try to buy them all out. Yeah, let me try these lashes on and pop these on, and then I will be right back. So these are the second pair of lashes. They're pretty. They feel lighter than the other pair. The other pair are like fluffier, I guess, and these are like a flatter pair of lashes, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna do a little side view. And these are what these lashes look like. I think they're pretty. I would wear them, but the other ones are just my favorite. Like, so pretty. Let's take a look at the other ones real quick. Yeah, I don't know, like, I just like the other ones better. Like, they are pretty. To me, they're just not as pretty as the other ones. I don't know. Tell me what you think, guys. What do you think in the comments below? Which pair did you like better, the first pair or the second pair of these? Let me know in the comments what you think. Also, the link to the lashes will be in the description box, and y'all have to, like, you know, y'all have to say thank you. No, I'm just kidding. I did just put y'all on though. Like, these are 25mm and they are cheap. They are about, I want to say three something per pair of lash. So that is very cheap. A lot of people out there are like selling them. The prices are going up on them, guys, I'm telling you. So grab them now while you can, while they're cheap, and yeah, you're welcome. Now that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed before leaving, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.